Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today's video is very interesting. So let's get started and subscribe. First, I open my Illustrator, I take my size and you take your size, and open my art file. Now this opacity greater than to less than. Now I select a circle shape. Again I take a. Again copy. Now I select Shape Builder tool, and other side remove. It's okay, and again it's 4. And select Keyboard Shift plus milliliters. Now select a path. And again it's 4. And again it's. Now it's copy. And I select a circle shape and some twacked. And it's many copy. Oh, this bar law. Look at the beautiful. Now it's some modified. Now I select a path and some rotate. It's okay. Now I'd extra side remove. Now I select a path. And it's for other color. and some deleted. And I choose color, select 2-part. And select a star shape. And select a rectangle shape for page. Okay, the end video. So please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.